Welcome back everyone, this is part 4 of the Lotus project and we're removing the steering rack here. Back inside the car we've got 2 bolts on each side, 17 and a 13. 17 at the top is really tight, as you can see here. You've got to put a lot of force. It does, when it cracks, it just cracks and then it comes loose, but it's he's dropped his socket there, so that's a bit annoying for him. Anyway, 17 is pretty tight, the 13 undone quite easily on both sides. So this is Paul taking one side out, and then we'll go over to the other side. One problem you got with the Lotus is access. It's a tiny car, so you've basically got to contort yourself into a tiny space to get in, to get under the dash, to get to these bolts.
Oh, look at that. So that, it's all riveted and that's going to stay on the bulkhead. So, I'm going to do the other side, or you need to do that side.
Okay. I want to see you get in there, like proper in there. There we go. Hands are coming up. Hands are coming up. We're getting in. Assume the position now.
Anyone out there that's left-handed will find this really easy, but if you're coming in from the driver's side with your right arm in the air, to get access to those bolts, to reach them, is pretty hard, which you'll see here. I ended up turning myself upside down so I could reach.
What are you actually doing, man?
I'm the wrong way around.
Well, there you go. You can have some beeps this time. You had to beep that one out, wouldn't you?
Yeah, you got those two out, but you need to undo the big UJ here, look. Because that ain't going to all go through the bulkhead, is it?
No.
So you need to split up, probably on that close one at the bottom. Take that off of the steering.
Split this one?
Yeah, that one further back. That back one. It's the same one, yeah, pinch bolt. And then hope. You might need a spanner as well. And there's pedals in the way. So why don't we turn it to make it easier? That's a good idea. Or should I turn it more that way, or? Oh, stop! Is that alright? Yeah. Yeah, is that? What's on the other side of it? So it is nut and bolt there.
That's not 13.
Yeah, that's not, but that one is. 15. I feel like I'm resting on my ear.
Yeah.
I'm just trying to be at one with the machine. You got a wedger in there?
A wedger?
Yeah.
What kind of wedger do you want?
I need to.
Screwdriver?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to wedge open a bit to see if that will bend. Yes, Mr. Snap on it's only a screwdriver. I've never used it as a pry bar.
It's not wedger in.
Bang it open.
Bang it open.
Yeah. Can't we wedge it with a knocking, banging thing?
Wedge it with a banging thing.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
A banging wedger.
A banging wedgie. I'm thinking. So, if we tap that into there. That might then let me. I should have bought bigger. Yes, there you go. That's what I wanted.
Okay, so a quick recap if you want to do this at home is 4 bolts on the inside, split the UJ, and then it comes out. Simple as that. What I've cut out here is about 45 minutes of wiggling to try and get it out, because there's a captive nut that comes from underneath the radiator that just stops the steering rack from spinning round. And that was a lot of pain. It was about 45 minutes of spinning and pushing and pulling to try and get about 1mm more of the steering rack to turn round so that we could pull it out of the car. But that is it. You've got your 217mm bolts, 213mm bolts, and the uni joint, and then after that it slides right out.
Oh. What? Oh, you got it.
It's out.
That's out. How did you wiggle that one?
No, just put the pry bar in it and wiggled it a bit, and it eventually.
So it should. All of this. New end's clean. The rubbers are good as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's what you call a simple steering rack. You see some of these new ones that I fit the electronics on them, and mate, none of these power steering pipes, no plugs, no modules, no coding it to the car.